How's it going, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. So I created this strategy for anyone who wants to trade synthetic indices, especially StepIndex. This strategy is very effective for StepIndex. So if you find it difficult to understand technical analysis, or you've not been profiting trading with technical analysis, that's with price action, you should definitely try this strategy out. It is very simple. So looking at it right here, this strategy pointed out a sell from this point, and if you had entered the sell from right here, you would have made some profit to the downside, right? Yeah, you would have made some profit to the downside even on 15-minute time frame. Same goes continuously, like for this point where price crossed below, it pushed up to the upside. So it's a good strategy. I've used it especially on 1-minute time frame. It works well as scalping strategy. So for example, if I take a sell from this point, so a buy from here, because let me first explain what the strategy says. It says that if this red moving average crosses below the chart like this, it indicates a buy, and if the red moving average crosses above this blue line, it indicates a sell. That's just the condition for the strategy. So now if I am looking for a buy position or a sell position, I need to see something like this. I need to see that this red moving average has crossed above the chart, then I'll sell. If I want to buy, I want to see the red moving average cross below the chart, then I'll buy, right? That's how the strategy works. So now let's test on this 15-minute time frame. Seeing from this overall, price has crossed above here, and it's giving some sell signals. Some sell signals. Then if I go down to 5-minute time frame, also crossed above, giving some more sell signals. 1-minute time frame not yet aligned. So what do? I wait. But 5-minute time frame has given me sell signal. So I want to place two positions sell on StepIndex. 1-minute time frame, I need it to align cross above. It crossed above before here, but then changed again. So let's see how the market will go. Then 1 hour time frame, also you can see, guys, 1 hour time frame has crossed above here. The red moving average has crossed above the blue line on 1 hour time frame. This is an indication that StepIndex is about to drop. So it's going to be very effective. So I've taken the sell. So let's see how it goes. The moment 1 minute align, guys, I'll add more position and scalp. It's a simple strategy. Just check that once you input this indicator on your screen, once you add the indicator to your MT5, you want to just look out for the red moving average crossing above the blue line or below the blue line on 1 minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, and also 1 hour time frame. So in this case, 1 hour is pointing sell. In 15 minutes, it's pointing sell. You can see more confirmations. On 5 minutes, is also pointing sell, and on 1 minute, it is pointing buy. Right? So we have 3 out of 4. So I'm taking the sell. 1 minute we align. You can see 1 minute is already preparing to align. It's about to cross. It's about to cross right here. The moment this red moving average cross, guys, I'm trading this thing live. The moment this red moving average crosses, now I see a cross here, I'll add more sell positions and we'll see how the trade moves. So that means that 5, 15, 1 hour, and that is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and 15 minutes are saying the same thing. So let's be patient and let's see the intersection happen. So while we're waiting, let me quickly show you the indicator settings. The first indicator is the money flow index. You set it on period 14, volume, tick, levels 20 and 80. Then you click done. Next indicator is moving average, period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Here's a click done. Select the color for easy identification. You can see my moving average color is red and my money flow index is kind of sky blue. So this intersection has happened. Look at it. So what do I do now? I add 2 more cells, 3. Good. So what did I wait for, guys? I wait for this intersection to happen. I don't play with this intersection. So I've sold now. The moment this blue line touches this line, I will close out. The moment this blue line touches this 8322 line, I call it the oversold level. The moment it touches it, I'll close out. So what does this mean? 1 hour, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute has clearly aligned that this guy is gonna sell. So that's why I boldly took a sell, more sell again. So for the first trade I took, you can hold those kind of trades for a long-term trade, since all other time frames are saying it's a sell. Like the 1 hour time frame, the 50-minute time frame are saying that it's a sell. But for the 1 minute time frame, you're going to use that as a scalping trade to make quick money. Is that okay, guys? So as soon as this blue line reaches here, boom, I'm out. Or if I see some obstruction, I mean this resistance, this support level it could be a point where you can take some profits, if not all your profits. So we're making money, guys. Simple strategy, simple concept. Any beginner can use this strategy. So guys, in case you don't know what we're trading synthetic indices, where we'll have crash and boom, StepIndex, volatilities indices. So you can create an account using the link at the description of this video. Click on the link and create an account. You can also join our Telegram group, where we drop daily free signals, top-notch free signals. People are making money using our signals, so you can join and also enjoy the signals too. So we're patiently waiting for TP, guys. In order for this video not to be too long, I might close, but I really want you to see how this guy moves. I really want you to see that price is definitely going to come around here, at least come here. So I wanted you to see the fullness of this strategy, but now, so let's wait till 10 minutes. Once the video complete 10 minutes, I'll close. Yep, once it's complete 10 minutes, I'll close. So hopefully before then you will see it move at least to this point, or you see it move even lower than it, or it might push up, as in reversing or consolidating. So we do it live here, how we are doing it. So this helps you to be able to replicate what we are doing when on your own. You can replicate it on your own, but I always advise, make sure you test your strategies on a demo account before implicating it on a real account. So this is where I'm talking about, so I can clearly and boldly take profits from this point. You can see quick money made, so I can start taking some profits, right, guys? So this is what I was saying, this is what I was talking about. So you see, it's gonna keep coming down. The fact that this blue guy is not going down shows that this guy has a higher tendency of continuing this down movement to the downside. Yeah, that's what it's signaling me right now. So anyways, guys, I said just 10 seconds left to close the video. So, and the guy is still pushing to the downside. Such an amazing strategy, guys. Keep trying the strategy on StepIndex. It's a good one. I'll tell you for free, it's a good strategy. and you can use it to make money. Look at 4-hour candlestick pattern, already preparing for this coming sale. Interesting. So what this indicator can do for you is that it will make you to be ahead of the market. You will see what the candles and chart has not printed. It will help you bring out what candles and chart have not printed.